I don't know how this is gonna come out. I'm filming myself with the GoPro and the phone. So as you can see, the Sphinx is right here. That's the pyramid. I think that's Giza right there.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
How many of you wish that you knew someone that you...
1,000 years old. This is my grandfather. Sphinx. One piece of stone, that's all. One stone. Face like man, hair like women, body of a lion. Face of a man, hair of woman, body of a lion. No nose. Why no nose? Because Napoleon, it's French, it's Mamluk people. He was here, we take by the bomb, and shoot at the Sphinx.
Yeah, I know.
No nose now. Everybody look like Japanese now. No nose.
Yeah.
Same Japanese people. All those villages 7,000 years old. 7,000 years old. Father, son, grandson. أيوة يا روبي. ذكوة. يا صاحبي. اضحك كده وغني اركب الحنطوره حنطه. First we go to the panorama. Let's picture all the pyramids in the background. After this we go close to the pyramid. Okay?
Oh, yes, sir.
First we go up. After we come back we stop it. We go close to this pyramid. Touch it, climb up a little bit and give good picture for me. Believe it?
Yep.
Samir, Egyptian name. American son. Whatever. Sam is okay, Samir is okay.
Yeah, people have some,
Yeah. 3 small pyramids. This is the Queen pyramid there.
Yeah.
Queen. And 3 beside the smaller one also again. 6 small queen, 3 big king.
Yeah.
7,000 years old. Each one pyramid, the biggest one, 30 years building. 30 years building. 10 years bring the stone from Luxor. 10 years cut the stone and 10 years finish building. 145 meter is high. 145 meter is high. 3 million lot of stone. 3 million. Each one stone 310 and 510. Before 7 years ago, 6 years, somebody climbed. No problem. No forbidden. Nobody climbed.
Oh, okay.
It's very dangerous. Somebody's fall down.
Yeah.
Nobody climbed. That's very good now. Jail. This pyramid was like this before. This is the cover. Marble stone. You know marble?
Yes.
You see, this pyramid was like this before. Hello, David. Hi, David. All this again tomb, no? Egyptian music.
Yeah.
اوعى يا ابله، اوعى يا انسه مفلسه، اوعى يا استاذ، اوعى يا انسه مفلسه، اوعى يا استاذ. سامبا لا رومبا، سامبا لا رومبا. تك تك تك.
tombs.
Yeah. Tomb from people from market to development.
Yeah. Wow.
100,000 people. New Egyptian museum, this one. New one, it's not working.
Okay.
Maybe 3 months more, or 4 months.
Yes. Wow.
Look, the Egyptian museum.
All right. Then.
It's new one.
Yeah.
We have us away. After this, you go close to the pyramid.
Okay. What?
This new coffee.
Nice.
Some drink is not working.
Not.
New
No.
swearers. Very rich man.
Okay.
Is this one for him? بمسح النجمة دي. ها؟ امسح النجمة.